My name is Alec Grant. I'm a retired surveyor and I live in North Wales. Before I came to the White House, my teeth were very worn at the front and misaligned, which sometimes made it difficult when eating and made me rather shy of smiling. I learned to accommodate the failings of my teeth when eating, and I just didn't used to smile. My experience with White House Dental was very, very good. Very welcoming, very knowledgeable, very friendly, very professional. I would recommend anyone to have an initial checkup at the White House with a view to having the same treatment that I did. Life after the treatment has made it easier for me to eat, and I can now smile with confidence.